The heavens declare the glory of God, and when we look closer, we can see how carefully He designed every detail. Imagine a planet spinning through space, perfectly balanced, bright blue and full of life. That's Earth, placed in just the right spot and with everything it needs for life to thrive. Every system on our planet works together in perfect harmony. It's as if a master creator tuned every setting just right. Change even one, gravity, air, or our distance from the sun, and life couldn't survive. Yet together they form a perfect balance, making Earth wonderfully alive. From the sparkle of the Great Lakes to our beautiful woodlands, creation speaks. Every living thing reminds us that this world was made on purpose, not by chance. Romans 1:20 says that God's invisible qualities, His power and His nature can be clearly seen in what He has made. The more we explore in nature, the more we see His wisdom and care. I'm Professor Woodsy Wild, and each week we'll look at one amazing part of Earth's design and try a simple experiment to see it in action. Well, let's dive in and explore today's wonder together. Hey friends, I'm Kristell Miller from Woodsy Wild, also known as Professor Woodsy Wild. Welcome to Wonderfully Made Earth Edition, where we explore the incredible features that make life possible on our planet. Have you ever used a compass? Compasses have been guiding explorers for hundreds of years. But have you ever wondered how it works? Compasses work because of the magnetic field deep inside our Earth. It's like one big magnet. Molten metals swirl inside our planet, creating a giant invisible magnet. And that magnetic field isn't just cool, it's critical. It shields us from dangerous space radiation, keeps our atmosphere in place, and even helps animals and birds migrate across the globe. But here's what's really amazing. Our Earth's magnetism is precisely calibrated. If it were just a little stronger or a little weaker, life couldn't survive. Imagine spinning a combination lock with a million numbers and exactly landing on the right one to open it. That's how perfectly tuned Earth's magnetic field is. Some scientists say the odds are less than 1 in a million. Today, I'm going to share an experiment that you can try at home, and it shows how our Earth is one big magnet and how we can always use that to find our way.
All right, kids, I want to show you a simple experiment that you can try at home. All you need is a compass, and you can see I've got one here, and you can see that it is pointing north. So at the top of the screen there, the green arrow, that is pointing north. So it's a little tilting to the left, okay? Find yourself a little bowl of water, and then what you're going to need is this is a little special tool, a demagnetizer, magnetizer. You can get this real cheap at any hardware store, Menards, Home Depot, okay? And you want to have a little sewing needle, and you take that and you rub it on the magnetized portion, okay? Rub it nice and good on there. Get it all magnetized good. Rub it like 20 times, okay? Once you do that, put your little tool aside. You don't want it by the compass. And then you take a little like foam square or a leaf. You could use that too. Okay, float that in the middle. Then you just pop your, now watch. See what happens with the needle. Where is it going to point? Oops, sorry. Let's pull this out a little bit. Okay, let's watch it. Look at that. It's pointing exactly parallel with your compass. You have made yourself a homemade compass. Let's put it out here again. Just test it, showing you I'm not just doing some tricks here. Okay. Look at that. Earth's magnetism at work. Isn't science cool?
Thanks for joining me today, friends. I hope you enjoyed discovering another way our amazing Earth is wonderfully made. Don't forget to try today's experiment at home and share what you discover. Join me next time when we explore another feature of our finely tuned planet and see even more evidence of God's creativity in design and creation. Until then, keep wondering, keep exploring, and remember, you too are wonderfully made.